Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to see a breakdown to the lower side, and before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Apecoin chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low at around the $2.5976 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where I have this Elliot structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $4.6 mark and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that fully maximized our minimum target areas to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2, and after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever I was expecting next was an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, which we have seen here on the charts, giving us a peak at around the $6.42 mark. And after seeing the formation of that wave 3, I was expecting a bit of a pullback to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is the target area that lies between the $5.22 mark and the $4.85 mark, which is a target area that we fully maximized. And after fully maximizing it, we lost the fib level 0.618, continued pushing even lower in a move that has now given us a low at around the $4.6 mark, which perfectly coincides with the wave 1 high. And I had said to you in my previous videos that we also need to have an invalidation point of this Elliot structure, which is the wave 1 high, and in case we see a retracement in the formation of this wave 4, having the wave 4 low touching into the wave 1 territory, then that will be invalidating this Elliot structure here on the Apecoin chart. And I have an alternative scenario that we can have here on the Apecoin chart, where we can term this whole scenario as an ABC corrective structure, where we can have this as the wave A, making a peak at around the $6.42 mark, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of that wave B. And once the low for this wave B is in, then we can expect another impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave C, and sketching out a target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave B by connecting the Fibonacci's from the wave A down there to the high of that wave A. That gives me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave B between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $4.5 mark and the $4.05 mark, and it is within this right target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for this wave B to the lower side. And once that happens, then we can expect another impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave C to the upper side. And once the low for this second wave, that is this wave B, is in, we can also be able to sketch out target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave C using a trend-based Fibonacci. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Apecoin chart. And if I also take a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 37 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support lower prices in the formation of that wave B. And also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting lower prices in the formation of that wave B. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.